Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Staples print services to produce branded marketing flyers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, gather your branded marketing flyer files on your computer. Ensure that the files are in a compatible format, such as PDF or JPEG. Visit the Staples website or use the Staples mobile app. Locate the Print Services section on the homepage. Choose the option for in-store printing or online services, depending on your preference. If using the website, select Print Flyers from the available options. Upload your flyer files by clicking on the Upload button. Review your uploaded files for any errors or necessary adjustments. Select your desired paper type and size from the available options. Choose the finishing options, such as lamination or folding, if needed. Specify the quantity of flyers you wish to print. Review the project details to ensure accuracy. Add the project to your cart, then proceed to checkout. If you are using the website, sign in to your Staples account or create a new one. Enter your payment information and any applicable discount codes. Select your preferred pickup location and choose a convenient pickup time. If applicable, opt for delivery instead of in-store pickup. Complete your order by confirming all details are correct. Save your order confirmation for reference. Once your order is ready, visit your selected Staples location. Bring the order confirmation and a valid ID for pickup. At the store, approach the designated print services counter. Present your order confirmation and ID to the employee. Collect your printed branded marketing flyers. Inspect the flyers to ensure they meet your expectations. If everything is satisfactory, your project is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.